Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for May 23rd, brought to you today by editorial researcher Olivia Roger. In our top news story, results from a Phase 3 study showed that the combination of Merck Co.'s Keytruda and chemotherapy extended overall survival and progression-free survival versus chemotherapy alone. The Keynote 407 trial investigated the anti-PD-1 therapy as a first-line treatment for patients with metastatic squamous non-small cell lung cancer. Also in the news, the FDA extended its review of Teva's filing seeking approval of fremanezumab for the preventive treatment of migraine by 3 months to September 16th. The company noted that there are no additional data requests from the agency related to the anti-CGRP therapy. In other news, a Phase 3 study of Esperion's bempedoic acid in high-risk patients with atherosclerotic cardiovascular disease met its main goal. Top-line results showed that the experimental drug lowered LDL cholesterol by 23% at 12 weeks in the intent-to-treat analysis versus a reduction of 1% for placebo. In addition, FDA Commissioner Scott Gottlieb said the agency will be unveiling guidance documents that will lay out potential accelerated approval endpoints for certain gene therapy products. According to the commissioner, the FDA will initially focus on gene therapies for hemophilia, where factor production could in some cases be sufficient as a surrogate measure of benefit. And finally, a U.S. court jury convicted former Valeant Pharmaceuticals executive Gary Tanner and former Philidor Rx Services CEO Andrew Davenport of using a kickback scheme to defraud the pharmaceutical company. The charges allege that Tanner used his position at Valeant to facilitate deals that helped advance Davenport's interests by having Valeant pay Philidor over $40 million and potentially tens of millions of additional dollars. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.